conditioner. It's by Sheraton. Shein. I think Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Anyway guys, today I'm going out with a friend at 5 p.m. It's currently 12:30, and at 5 we are going to do dinner. It's her birthday today. I've not yet got a gift, but I'm expecting to get a gift along the way before I head to the venue. Anyway, I am just done with cleaning the house and doing the dishes, and I'm going to the salon to wash my hair, and then I'll put cornrows in my hair because I'm going to install a wig, and then by 4 p.m. I'll be setting off from here. So guys, come with me as we enjoy this day. So I'm going with my shampoo. I use Head and Shoulders shampoo, and I use this conditioner. These are really good for the hair, especially this conditioner. You should plug yourself with this. So guys, I'm just from the salon and I did 2 cornrows in my hair, and now I'm going to install my wig, do some simple makeup and get going. I'm just new to this, but I think I'm gonna try this. So I'm finally done with flattening my hair, and I think I like how it turned out. I put some wax stick for the shine, and then I flat ironed it. I use pretties instead of glue, this instead of glue. Just a temporary hold. So I'm gonna do some simple makeup. I actually don't know how to do makeup, but I try, and then put on my wig and get going. So I'm starting off with some pencil for my eyebrows. Actually, I decided where we shall go. We are going to 4 Points by Sheraton, and I've been there before once with my girls. It was a nice experience, only that the food portions are really small yet expensive, but I don't mind now because I'm on a weight loss journey. So I don't mind about the food portions, but I mind about the amount. I don't know what to do. This dabba is full of glitter. Can you see that glitter? And once I put it here, it's going to be all over my face. So I think I'm going to use this. I'm hoping it works. So guys, I decided to wash this because I just wasn't getting the perfect, mixing. Can you see the difference between this eye and this eye? Next up, I'm going to do some mascara. By the way, I stay next to a church, so that's the music that you are hearing in the background. So I got some pants from Mr. Price, and I've not worn them. I got them a long time ago, okay, like a week. So I got 2 jeans. I have this, and then I got these 2, and currently I'm a size 38, and guys, I used to be size 32, I think, like a year ago. But anyway, these jeans don't stretch that much. They are skinny jeans. I am wearing this top. I got this top from Shein. I love this top, guys. I'm going to wear this and pair it with jeans. I'm thinking this color instead of this. So yeah, as I said before, this top is from Shein, and then these pants are from Mr. Price, and this is my feet. I love this. So I'm gonna wear my wig now. Word of advice, please go to the salon and pay for that installment if you have no patience, because what is this I've done? Anyway, I'm wearing these silver earrings. That's the back of the wig. So it's currently 4:30. I like this top mostly. This is the highlight of my outfit. Oh, I'm going to complete my TikTok. I had a TikTok that I was making. It's now 5 p.m. I've just made one TikTok, and this is my scent. It's the best perfume I've ever purchased. I am going to pass by probably Chinatown before heading to 4 Points. Let's get going right now. I'm now in Chinatown, and I think I'm going to get an art piece because these are so beautiful. These are literally so beautiful. I have a lot to choose from, and yeah, I think I'm leaning more towards this art piece.
Feel free to check out our sections and our
Let's see this girl, but I think I'm gonna get this. This is definitely what I'm going with, this piece. I am just done shopping, and I'm so proud of what I picked. It's so pretty. Anyway, now I'm going to Mango to pick up my friend, and then we shall head to 4 Points. Anyway guys, let me pack this up and go pick her up. By the way, it's currently 6:30 p.m. The sun is setting, and we are heading to Mango.
Don't put me in that.
And yours is what?
I don't know. Tropical what? Sunset. Why are they giving me a short class?
This is what? Cosmopolitan.
Let me
say hi to the camera.
No.
It's coming.
No,
it's coming in
is
3,
it the normal
2,
camera?
1. Yes! Cheers!
Not just chatting.
What's this sauce?
What?
Mushroom. Are you sure this is
I know what
mushroom?
she told.
I don't even remember. Why is it this?
Wait. First, we shall share.
And then this is pork. Chicken, mashed potatoes. Why is your cutting falling?
This one. That's how it came. I think it's pork. Why are you pissed? Good.
Oh God, I've seen a toilet.